Is sex really the most important thing in marriage and in relationship? No, I don't think so. You really want to know? Come on in, let's talk about it, my beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. I welcome you to another episode of my channel. This is Stella Odudu's vlog. As you already know, for those of you who just come across this channel for the first time, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button for your girl as usual. God bless you all for always stopping by to watch my video. I really do appreciate every one of you. It's not really easy. I appreciate you all so dearly from my heart. God bless each and every one of you. So guys, this is a very important topic I want to address on today. A very important one, as that a relationship and a marriage. In relationship and a marriage. Wow. Actually, this topic I'm going to treat today, a friend of mine actually asked me to speak on this, because we find out these days that most especially in marriages, a lot of marriages, some of our women are just dying silently. This is the 24th century. We don't need to keep quiet. We don't need to be calm. You need to speak out. We have freedom of speech. You need to speak out. Nobody is going to kill you for that. Nobody will harm you for that. For speaking your mind. You say it out. Pour your heart out. Let your partner, let your hobby, which is your husband, let him feel you. Let him feel your pain. Let him feel your heart. Pour it out. A lot of our women, they are just dying silently. Because why I'm bringing out this topic now, as requested for me to speak on, is in marriage and in relationship, both the same. Is sex really the first thing? Is it really the most important thing in marriage and both in relationship? Because our men these days, some of our men these days, that is what they value so much in marriages and in relationship. And this is very bad. A lot of our men these days, they don't know how to care for their wives. A lot of our guys these days, they don't know how to care for their girlfriends. This is very bad. All they just want is to have sex alone with the woman. That is all they want. They don't feel the woman's pain. They don't know what the woman is passing through emotionally. They don't know. They don't want to know. All they just want, they get married to the woman. They just want the woman to just be giving birth to kids. That is all they know. They cannot pick up a time that say, I'm taking my wife out. I'm going to spoil my wife today. I'm going to spoil my girlfriend today. Whatever you want, I'm going to do it for you. They don't do it. A lot of them, they don't do it. You cannot sit down and ask your wife. You cannot sit down and ask your girlfriend, what do you want? What do you care for? What do you want me to do for you? But when it comes to the aspect of sex, that is where you will know that the woman is important in your life. When it comes to the aspect of sex, that is when you will know that your girlfriend is important in your life, of which that is not supposed to be so. You didn't get married to your wife just because you want to be having sex with her. You didn't have a relationship with your girlfriend just because you want to be having sex with her. No. You didn't get married to your wife because you want her to just be giving birth to kids for you. No. That is not marriage. A lot of our women, they are dying silently. They don't speak out. Speak to your man. Speak to your man face to face. Talk to him. If you don't like what he's doing to you, spit it out. We have freedom of speech. Spit it out. Some of our men these days, if you don't talk to them, if you don't tell them, they don't know the right thing to do. It's just like someone you are pushing before you push them before they push themselves. It's just like a car that got spoiled. You want to push the car so that the car can start. That is how some of our men is. They are. If you don't tell them your mind, they cannot use their mind to do something for you. Same goes to the relationship part of it. What is the essence of that relationship you are having with your girlfriend? I'm talking to the guys. What is the essence of that relationship you are having with your girlfriend? Is it just to be having sex with her? Or you have good plans for her? In the future, something good is going to come out of that relationship? Is it all about sex that you just want for that your girlfriend? And the girls will foolishly be giving the guys the sex alone. They don't speak out. Speak your mind. Pour it out. No one is going to harm you for that. No one is going to kill you for that. Speak it. Spit it. Spit it out. You husband out there. You just marry your wife just to be having sex with her. The woman is now a sex toy in your bedroom. You cannot care for your woman. You cannot care for your wife. Some of them, it's only the kids that the woman have for them that they will care for. Then what about the woman? Is it not somebody that gave birth to the woman that you got married to today? Is she not coming from somebody's home? If the woman happened to be your sister and someone else is treating her that way, will you be happy with that? If you are there watching me, if your husband is the best, what about your husband friend? Don't be stingy, don't be greedy. Share this video, share it to your hobby, share it to your boyfriends, share them out. Let them share to their friends. They may be good, but their friends, what are their friends doing to their own wives and their own girlfriend? They need to know. They need to hear. They need to learn. They need to learn and change. And it has not become a habit. This has become a habit to a lot of our men. It's not a habit for them. Just sex alone. That is what they want. Is it only sex that is the most important thing in relationship and in marriage? I don't think so. No. Sex shouldn't be the number one thing. But they are taking it as the number one. And in fact, they are taking it as if it's what they just want all their life. From that their wife. From that their girlfriend. Of which is not supposed to be so. When I see things, when I hear things, and it make me go angry. I go crazy. Because those are the things that are not supposed to be done that way. They are not supposed to happen that way. If you find yourself in that kind of a situation, try to make a change in your life today. Make a change in your relationship. Make a change in your marriage. It's never too late for you. It can never be too late. Because it's your silence that is killing you silently. When you keep silent, you die silently. That is it. But if you speak out, oh my God, I tell you, you will be free. You will be free totally. That's all that hobby that always refuse to care for you. That always refuse to recognize you as your wife, as a wife. Will learn to appreciate you. Will learn to value you. That's your boyfriend that refused to accept you as a girlfriend and think sex is everything. Will learn to appreciate you. Will learn to love you more. than the way it used to be before. Sex shouldn't be the number one thing. And you need to make your woman be happy before even requesting for that. If your woman is not happy, don't request for sex. Don't ever request for sex from that woman. If you are a man out there watching me, if you are a guy out there watching me, try to make your woman happy before. Let her mind be sweet before you ask of sex from that your wife, before you ask of sex from that your girlfriend. It's very, very important. That is the first thing you need to do. Try to find out those things that will make her happy. It's not just having sex with her. She's also coming from somebody's home. She's somebody's a daughter also. So you don't do to others what you don't want others to do to you. But if somebody got married to your own sister, I'm talking to the guys, the men. If someone got married to your own sister and they care for that your sister, you'll be happy. Then what about someone else's sister that you have? Won't you care for her? So my beautiful people are there. If you know you find yourself in this kind of category, don't hesitate to speak out. Speak out, speak out, speak out, spit it out. Then you will find a solution. If you close your mouth, your closed mind is a closed destiny. You close it forever. Just speak out. There your solution lies. That is where your solution lies. I love you all, my beautiful people. And for our women, don't be silent anymore. Don't be silent. Don't be silent. Your destiny is in your hands. It's in your hands. You alone have the key to your destiny, your happiness. The way you want your life to be sweet, the way you want to live your life, it's in your hands. It all depends on you. It all depends on you. And don't fall back. Okay? This topic is so... I'm coming back again. I'm coming back. You are going to see me again on this again. And don't forget, I'm here for you always. And if there is something you want me to
speak about, don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section. Put it there, and what you think about this video, put it down there. And I will gladly do that for you. That's why I'm here for you. That's why Stella Odudu's vlog is here for you, my beautiful people. Thank you all so much, and I love you. Kisses from Stella Odudu's vlog. Ciao, ciao. Until we meet again in my next episode. Bye.